There's a nice fish. That's the one we've been waiting for.
What is up, everybody? Fishhawk here. Today we're back at the tunnel. We are fishing for anything that is willing to bite. I have my 6-foot light action rod St. Croix Premier, Daiwa BG 1500 reel. I have 6-pound test P-line fluorocarbon. I have a tiny little hook tied on, and then about 10 to 12 inches above that, I have a single split shot. This water is super low and super clear. Today, we're going to be using live worms. They should do the trick. Let's see what we can catch. Stay tuned.
All right, let's thread this bad boy on. First victim of the day. There's the first fish. Smallie.
Just a tiny little fella. Got some weird marks on him. Right there, right there. But other than that, pretty fish.
See ya, buddy. There's a fish. Ah, dang. What is that? Oh my gosh, it's a little rock bass. Well, that's pretty cool. New species, never caught one out of here before.
Second species, little rock bass. I did not catch one of these last time I was here, but that is an absolutely beautiful rock bass. I mean, the colors are freaking awesome.
Look at that, guys. Let's let him go. See ya, buddy. I got something. Real little. Third species of the day. Let me know what it is down below, guys. See ya, buddy. Ah, you're not the one I was after. I was after the sucker. Another little sunfish or bluegill. What is that? Just a daggone bluegill. A little chunkier though.
All these little bluegill or little sunfish look to be the same species.
Maybe it's a red breast sunfish, I'm not sure. You guys let me know. See you, buddy.
Caught a couple fish at this end of the tunnel. We're gonna head to the other side and see if there are some fish up there. There's where we're going. Down there. Ouch. Oh wow. Water's really shallow.
All right, let's see what's in here. Oh my God, no. Pull my worm off the hook. I don't even know what it was. Maybe a catfish. Something's got it. Got him. What is that? Oh, it's a little catfish. Nice. We got another species, guys.
All right, guys, there's a look. There's a look at the little catfish we just caught. We'll let him go before he spines the heck out of me. All right, guys, we're gonna head back to the other side of the tunnel. We only caught one fish from this side of the tunnel. Kind of disappointing, but that's the way fishing goes sometimes.
Got him. Catfish. Decent one too. No, it's a smallmouth. Dang it. You son of a gun. Get out of them trees. It's not a bad one though. I'm gonna try to hoist him up. Oh, don't break, don't break, don't break. Oh, gotcha, buddy. Right in the corner of the mouth, he wasn't getting off. Heck yeah, guys. That's a solid little creek smallie right there. I actually saw a catfish in there swimming around and I was trying for him. but I'll definitely take this. All right, guys. Beautiful creek smallie. Not bad at all. Pretty decent size. Finally got a decent fish. Wow, guys, look at this. This might be a different species of bluegill. Look at its fins. Pretty cool. This one definitely looks different than the other ones I was catching. A little bit of a drop, but I'll make sure you hit the water. Well, the farther I go down this way, the less deep it gets, and the only thing I see down here is tons and tons of minnows. I think all the bigger fish are hanging out up here in this deeper water at the tunnel. So I'm gonna go back up here and see if we can catch some more fish. Since our frog buddy's still here, I'm gonna see if he'll eat one of these worms. Holy crap, guys. That was awesome. What do I got? By golly, I got a smallie. And he is small, but we'll take it. Come on. Come on, calm down for me. Oh, there you go. I just saw a big catfish, guys. There's a nice fish. That's the one we've been waiting for. Nice cat. That's the one we've been waiting for, guys. Yes, that is the one we've been waiting for. Best fish of the day, guys. Beautiful catfish. Came from the tunnel. Let's let it go back in the tunnel. Heck yeah, guys. All right, guys, that is going to do it for today. Had a lot of fun fishing the tunnel. Didn't do as well as we did last time, but still caught some fish. I'd say we caught 4 or 5 different species and then caught a decent catfish there at the end. So I think that's a good note to end on. All the information for the gear I used will be down in the description. If you guys are new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you guys are interested in Fishhawk merch, that will be down in the description. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Fishhawk out.